Start by seasoning the beef with salt, pepper, and any desired herbs and spices. Heat a little oil in a pan and cook the beef until it is fully cooked and has a crispy, caramelized exterior. Once the beef is cooked, slice it into thin strips and set it aside. In the same pan, heat some butter and add minced garlic. Cook the garlic until it is fragrant and starting to turn golden. Add some diced onions and bell peppers to the pan and cook until they are tender. Incorporate some diced tomatoes and cook until they are soft and starting to break down. Add the sliced beef back to the pan and stir everything together until it is evenly combined. Warm up some flour or corn tortillas in the microwave or on a stovetop griddle. Fill the tortillas with the beef and vegetable mixture, making sure to leave some room at the ends. Roll up the tortillas tightly, making sure to fold in the ends to prevent the filling from spilling out.